Alright guys, I'm on what seems like my 4,000th deck I've done this summer. This is another redeck. Pulling all the deck boards off, checking the framing, and then this is going to get a roof. It's going to extend, that gable's going to extend all the way out here. Got 3 holes already dug. They've been inspected and ready to go. That is for the beams, and they want a center one to help hold the ridge because there's no roof structure. It's not a full-blown roof structure, it's just going to be a vaulted ceiling coming off. So first things first is to get this deck cut up. Homeowner wants it thrown off to the side behind me in the backyard. So we'll get after that, see what critters are living underneath there, and see what we need to do to bolster the framing of the deck. Hopefully I can get a good video on this one. I don't think I'll be hounded too much by homeowners and neighbors, but who knows? That seems to have been the case all summer so far. So, right here, this is going to get extended out as a walkway to the door too. So there's more holes need to be dug there, but I'm not worrying about that right now. First things first, I want to get the roof framed.
What's up, guys? I just want to interrupt real quick and ask you to subscribe to the channel. If you find these videos helpful, entertaining, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. You could hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I put another video out, and feel free to comment and like this video. It helps me out and it helps to build the channel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it somewhere, I think right here. Follow me along because I did this job a while ago and I had posted pictures on Instagram for it. And I do a lot of jobs, I do a lot of projects that don't make it onto YouTube, but they go onto Instagram. So if you could follow on Instagram and subscribe to this channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, let's get back to it.
Okay, that's all gone. Screws are all cut off. Still a little tuning up to do with the 4x4s that are sticking up. But my problem at the moment is that this is not square. I don't even think the addition is square. And since this is getting a metal roof, I want to make sure that my new roof structure is square so the metal roofing can go on clean and in line. So I've been taking quite a while, stringing lines, taking some measurements as to where my beams are going to go in. I think I got a pretty good idea of how well I can square it up. So probably get ready to pour my footings so they can set up before I drop posts in probably tomorrow. So I don't know exactly where I left off yesterday, but after screwing around quite a bit yesterday evening and then this morning, I finally got this seemingly straight and square to the face of the addition, which allowed me to then string this right here for the walkway to the door. So I think I'm getting there, finally. A lot of thinking, a lot of adjusting. Had to cut these 4x4s down, notch them, and move this outside joist in because it was bowed. And now I have to run and pick up some joist hangers, which the contractor did not send out. And hopefully I can have this framed so I can get ready to start decking. Then I'll pour these footers when I know exactly where the posts need to go and let that set up so then I can get these posts in for the roof. Okay. Gonna go grab some joist hangers and update you guys in a little bit.
Okay, that's it for video number 1. I'm trying to keep the videos smaller when I can, so I'm going to do this in 2-3 parts, something like that. So stay tuned for the next one.